All right, today is December 4th, 2024. Going over some of the levels. Right now, I'm just quickly going over this indicator that I created, or ChatGPT created, um, and just playing around with it, trying to see what all I can learn from it. Like these absorption areas right here, absorb, price reverses, right, and just trying to just connect dots, making trading a little easier. You see, volume came in here, so this is areas of interest. Something's happening. So I'm keeping it as simple as just the 30-minute, 15-minute, 5-minute, and 1 minute. Just these four levels here. You can see that we had a trend line here, and we had sell, right? And this was sell. So we had absorption here, but we had sell. Right? This absorption doesn't really come from anything. I'm not sure what it's absorbing. Here we had absorption. Here we have buying. You can see that price actually bought up. On the RSI, absorb, and price moved up. Here, this is like in the middle of everything. I mean, technically we can say this, but this was cleared right here. So I don't have anything here for the 30 minutes to validate this one here. So this is really not good. This one can then be absorption for this, because this area was a buy that was holding price down. As you can see, price is staying below it the whole time. And then so price comes up and sell. So we have a 30-minute sell, and we go to the 15-minute. We'll see the same thing. We have a 15-minute sell. Now we're going back to this here. Moving back sideways to see if there's anything holding it. There's nothing there. 15-minute cleared all the way down to this area. So this is the next area for buying, right? So price sold down here, and it went into a sell right down here, and it paused, right? We dropped below and moved higher. So this area now is looking very bearish to sell. We go back to the 30 just to see what was going on there. We have sell here, but it stopped where price bought up. All right. Go to the 5 minute. Go to the 5 minute. We start the same sell again. So now this is a confirmed sell. Look for a pullback into this trend area here. Maybe buy at this level. Stop loss above this candle. Selling here again, as we can see. And then look for price to come down to the area where price bought. So let's go back to the left again. See if there's anything for buying wise. We don't have anything until right about here, because this is the last level of buying. I can't really see my green arrows. I think I might have a green arrow right here that I just couldn't see. See, there it is. I couldn't see that green arrow. So I gotta figure out how to readjust these texts or readjust the colors of that, right? So um yeah. So yellow means absorb, red means sell, green means buy, right? It's just easy for me to spot them on here. They do have them down here as well. All right. I wish that I could paint the candles to try to eliminate some of the noise, but or something else. But I can see it down here. Yellow means absorb, red means sell, green means buy. That's all I really need. All right. So here we can see that there was buying here, hitting the absorption area here, and you can see that we continue to absorb. If I went back to that, was it the 15-minute that had that thing up there? The 30-minute. All right, the 30-minute, right? And then we'll get it like this. Boom. All right. And I'm gonna make that one just pink. And I want to be quick because I do want to go over my levels and see what I'm looking for. See, maybe I might find something like pre-mark like I did yesterday that I didn't take, more or less. And we see absorption. All right. So this area becomes valid for an absorption area. 15-minute. You can see price is holding that 30-minute. It's absorbing here. So now we're just waiting for something that says, okay, we're ready to go. So let it absorb until we're ready to go. We have a buy and it fails. So that's probably could be a potential, a buy and it fails. But now it's like, where do I put my stop loss, right? I probably would have got stopped out with this one because this would have knocked me out. And I always buy on either 5 or the 1 minute. I don't buy on the 15 minute. So there's that. So now if we look here, we have a lot going on. This is all pre-market, pre-market. Like this is overnight session. I don't trade this area here, but I could trade 8 and 9. So now we have, okay, we have a sell, we have buy, absorbing, and we have confirmed sell, sell, sell. Okay, so now we say, okay, well, selling is dominant. They want to sell here. Price goes up one more time, clears this area, looking up to this area. So now we have a double top, right? We have a top, we have a buy that failed, come back to it, topped, right? And I think I had marked this area on the 1 minute as liquidity, somewhere around here. I had marked as liquidity. Price comes up to this area here, and then it sells off. We get a nice trend line. We go to the 1 minute if we want to. And we see that in the 1 minute, boy, are we like so much going on, right? So the 1 minute, this would not be good. It would just be too much information for me to bear. I can't even see what I'm looking at anymore. Cars is so much. But I think I had my liquidity sweep right here, and then we did do a quick liquidity sweep, or even right into that, creating a double top. Right, we have this in green double top, and then it just sold off drastically. This is where I was looking to enter, right around here, boom, boom, and then fell. So this would have been my entry error between these two. Let's say down here, but this one clears it up. So about 2 points, and then just let price go down to here. This is about 13 points, all right? Or if I miss that boat, there goes my entry again, right? Price busts up there. Probably would have entered on this one, risking about 2 points. And the same thing here, trying to get 9 points. So that's that. So this thing here, I kind of like it. It kind of does the same thing as with the RSI. So but I'll have to play with it more. But I really like how I can look to say, okay, based on my RSI levels, what did price do? Okay, we're absorbing. Okay, we're absorbing some absorption. These levels were cleared on the 30 minute. This level did not get cleared. This level did not get cleared. So buying can be happening here. Unless we get below it, we sell. And then selling can happen up here. All right. What we did, we sold and we bought. That's exactly what we did. All right. So right now, let's go into the true chart. I want to save this as let's call it my heat map for now. Because I'm using the two here. So these are absorptions, but it's just easier for me to see it up here. Even though these cover up my things, but I like to see it on the charts. It's harder for me to really just go up and see what's going on. If it was on the chart, 1 minute, I'll try to do this quickly. Look back, threshold, body of range. Yeah, I'm not gonna mess with any of this. I really wish I could control the wording, but it is what it is. Look back, volume, threshold, body of range, same thing. Absorption signal, yellow. Sell signal, red. Buy signal, green. Volume plot. Okay. So yeah. So this with the RSI does seem to make a nice I wouldn't even really need this. I just need the signals to appear. Wouldn't I? Let's hide this one. Let's apply. Let's hide this one. Apply. Hmm. Let's get rid of that one. Hit apply. open up this one. Apply. I guess that one does need this here. Apply. Oh, it's down to the bottom. Hit apply. So I'll have to mess with this later. It's already 10 minutes in. Um, I'll come to this later. So let's close this out for now. Let's do our levels. Let's quickly get through it. Oh, some crazy buying going on. Let's get news real quickly. Okay, this is the first week of the month. Fed. Okay. Mr. Powell speaking. 10 o'clock, 9:45, 8:15. Should have had something already. Okay, I'll do that in a bit. Today is Wednesday, so boom, boom. Okay. And then Powell speak. I'm not sure if he's really speaking or if he's just like the Fed minutes. Oh, this is speaking. Let me check my discords. Check those out real quickly. Money, I will. Da, 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 da. Good. All right, but I think we do have Powell speaking today. Actually speaking. So we'll see how today goes. All right, so let's get to it. Zoom out. Been doing a nice job dropping. I think we're gonna continue making higher prices. Sheesh. Crazy rally. Let's go back a little bit further. Okay. So this was election day rally. So this was the day of election, and it just popped up, right? One Monday, Tuesday, yeah. At the election, Trump won, and we rallied 300 fucking points. Wow, shit, this alone was good right here. 298. And got a pullback, right? This is the pullback they're talking about. And then from there, we rallied 203 points. Sheesh, that'd have been nice. Could have just thrown some fucking money into this shit. But that's 5,000. Not $5,000 like that. All right, let's do these. I had this for some reason. Oh, almost a psychological number. So we just clearing up a lot of messes. So I had my second red day and I'm over like 4 weeks. So there's that. All right, not too proud of it, but um, it's allowing me to slow down and clear my head and to make sense of what it is that I'm seeing. All right, respecting the fact that this should have been a buy area and not sell because I was really forcing that. So that's a buy area. Right now it's clear, right? So I don't have anything here on the 30 minute as you can see, right? And we've just been really holding on to whatever this trend line that we've been creating, really holding on to it. Hold on. Why did it look like it moved the wrong way? All right, boom. All right, so really just been holding on to it. I don't have really anything here anymore, so this is absorption. It's absorption. Let's go quick breakdown. Daily buying, volume is dropping, price moved up. 4 hour volume is dropping, price moved up. We have maybe we're hitting highs here because I see some buying up here, so we'll see how that goes. But I focus on the 30 minute and the 15 minute and the 5 minute for that. See, you see we had buying here. All right. So until price cleared it, obviously that doesn't count. That's not the 30. Volume was very low yesterday. despite um, a strong finish on Monday. It was a strong sell, but we bought and but we held. All right, probably one of the lowest volumes or that Friday night. Well, that's Thanksgiving, so it's half a day. So yeah, it was very low. I don't think there's a lot of people trading these things here. So this was all the buying that we had. Price was above it. I should have respected this greatly, as you can see. All right, we never cleared this to say that okay, buying has done. Now it's still a respectful level that I need to respect. Um, Price is moving up, very ugly. Nothing I can really tote about. Let's find the high of that day, which is this. And get rid of this 15. So this is the high. Price still pushing up. Six zero six six 6066. That's the high. Above it. That's the on settlement price. All right, so we're trying to be as fast as we can. So we're gapping up. Uh, Cleared all of that. Okay. So this area is my first area of interest. We are above it. So this might be my first demand zone. We had a nice little pullback here. Price is breaking up. So let's see what I can find on the lower time frames. See what I meant about buying. Should have respected all of this buying. We never broke below it. Came down to it and bounced. This is a 15-minute buy. This is around 3. We cleared this one, but we didn't clear it. This one. We put this one right here. This is still an area of interest. Let's go back to the 30-minute, and I'm just gonna mark it top and bottom. Let's bring this begin end. All right, so we got that. We do have volume here, as you can see, but doesn't celebrate it on the 30. Celebrate it. Just show it on the 30, only on the 15. So I'm gonna mark this one here, and I would label this one 15. To be 15. I'm gonna bring this back to 45. 0. All right. So I just down here. So I'm trying to see if this is absorption. Looking like it wants to be. All right. Um, we cleared that, so I'm not even gonna look at that anymore. Let's go to the 5-minute. And we cleared it all in the 5 minutes. So this is just a 15-minute potential area. The 30-minute, we're inside of it. Haven't truly cleared it yet, but I don't have anything inside this 30-minute to say that I am interested. So I might get rid of this 30-minute and stick to the 15. But I also don't have anything in the 15-minute to say that I'm interested. Right? Because we kind of cleared everything. So this probably be a dead zone. Like the other ones we had, like okay, price was holding. Like here, price has cleared that. Let's go to the 1 minute. All right, so this looks a lot better than anything. Like this cluster looks probably the best cluster. Um, I may not mark anything at all. I do like this. Probably the only thing that I like. They can actually draw something on. Everything else is like, all right. Let's go backwards. Let's see how that works. Nothing. 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 All right. So apparently we're holding this area. Remove that. We did. We dropped down, went below it, bounced out. All right, bounced out. Um, I don't know what to make of it. I really can't tell you what I'm making of this. I don't. I don't have a clue. Um, if anything, settlement price and high updates the only thing I can really work with in the week. I don't have anything to really work with. Here, I'm just going to just leave the 15-minute for now, but leave it like this. Leave 30-minute for now, leave it like that. And then I just need to find out if I can find a trend line that I can make sense of. Let's go to NQ. I got to clear out. So NQ is also at new all-time highs. Weekly year. Yeah, NQ is also at new all-time highs. More than 3 years. Let's do max. All right. Yeah, new all-time highs. This can go, whatever that is. No, I don't. That's the that's my indicator. Uh, okay. Rally, drop, base, rally. All right. Anyways, daily. Now let's go to the 30-minute. Let's delete some stuff. Now that's buying. That's buying. We don't get that on the other one. Damn. Price really just monstered through. Did we have earnings? That's what I didn't check. 1 minute. Do we have earnings? Something we don't know about? Salesforce. Salesforce. CRM. Wasn't that the thing that crashed Microsoft? Okay. What caused Microsoft to crash? 2024. What caused Microsoft and airlines to have problems? CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike is what it was. Myself was CrowdStrike. So why is this? Market moving like that? I don't see any major names that I know of. Whoa, what the fuck? New York Stock Exchange. Okay. Hmm. Maybe we'll drop. I don't know. It's a sell area. Maybe we'll drop. Everything's showing that it's overbought. Yeah, maybe we'll drop. I don't know what the CRM stock is or why it's so important, but we bounced. All right, back to the usual. Okay, I do need to move a little faster. Let's get to deleting stuff. Let's delete everything here. This can stay. See, this is what we're buying. I was really forcing price to do something it did not want to do. That was my fault. We cleared all of this. Price did not give one fucking damn. Sorry for my French. Sorry for cursing. Um, what's the high? That has my interest. Oh, look at that, at 3 o'clock. So this area here, this area here, with a nice uptrend. So this. Okay. To make sure I fix this. Let's fix this. I see you poking out. Oh, we cleared it. We have to make sense of this. All right. Do I do the daily first? No volume. Dead volume. Okay. No volume. 9. I have to wait till 9 to see volume. straight upward momentum. With the buying, we're above it, we hold it, we held it, we moved higher. Some volume here at 8, 30 minute. Still buying. Held here. All right, that's the one I was just looking at. Okay, 15 minute. Let's do the 15 minute. Yeah, we're gonna do 15 minute the way it is. All right, so absorption all around. Oh, major absorption. I like to pause, push up. Strong volume. Get down to. Okay, I'm liking this. 15 minute. Let's give it some color. Let's bring this back to the open. All right, because now we're really setting in with that. Kind of clear that in the inside. This one here. -minute also. Don't have the bottom of it yet. I'll come back to that in a bit. And then this one. Zoom out. Buy. Okay. We're gonna start clearing up in a bit. Low 2130575 21013. Okay. All right. Let's go to 5 minute. 1 minute. Pause. Continuation. 5 minute. Okay. All right. So this is straight buying frenzy. Okay. So this is good. I'm liking this. Five minutes here. Okay. Yeah. So this is an area of interest for sure. This one here, we cleared it. 30 minute, cleared it. 30 minute, we didn't clear it, but this is also an area of interest right here. Right. Oh. So for NQ, I like to see NQ come down. $63 points. All right. Then we can do 1 minute. I'm gonna look for a trend line actually. Can't really do this one here. I'll stop there. I think it's the best turning point is this here, this 3 o'clock here. Because we went gray and then we pushed up. We're also holding this area right here. So it's probably the best turning point for my trend line to start. And it is a new trend right here. This is dead in the water, small trend, broke, held higher. So yeah, so I need to find out on ES. We'll do the 1 minute. But I don't think I'm gonna get anything from the 1 minute that I'm interested in. So let's go to ES. I did settlement price at the highest lows. ES is really loving this 30-minute area. It dipped down here again. Not a lot, but it still dipped down. The 1 minute looks like shit. So it looks like crap. 3 o'clock. It's way over here. So we get this like this. Oh, that. Oh, is this news? Something's happening up here. A price jump like that. I don't like when I see it do that. I don't. That I don't like. I don't like this. This throwing me off. Right? Like it's really throwing me off. I don't like that. But I don't have any levels for ES to move lower to. I don't have anything besides settlement price, high of day, the weekly, this trend line. I don't have much. Okay, let's go to VIX. I think VIX still has some more downside to go, so I think we'll see more upside on ES. Yeah, if we do the 3 o'clock thing, also, I guess where would I put it? This question. I've got these little marks up here. Right, it's very hard to really read any of this. And then its highs and its lows are like right around here below yesterday's low. So we'll do this. And then the highest way over here. So I don't want it. Need this. All right, so that's essentially it. Maybe if we bounce down here, we see price drop. Let me put a marker on it. So maybe if we bounce down here, we'll move up higher. Okay, I think I'm done. I think I've given enough for today. Um, this constant steady rise of price is ridiculous. Um, yes, it's following suit on the 30-minute. Let's go look at that absorption one that I had. Let's detach this and then let's look at a heat map. All right, so we don't have any change yet. We had absorption and we broke through, but we didn't have buy. I'm sorry. Let's put you as trade station. Okay, so we had this level here that we broke out of, so we didn't show buy. So there's nothing here to like back it up. And then yeah, let's go to the 15-minute. All right, I don't see anything here marked for me. All right, so we got this here. I like to see price come back down to it. Got a buy, and absorption is happening. It's a buy and an absorption. It's an absorption buy. Wow, I didn't see that coming. Buy and absorption. This one here. Price don't know what it wants. It's a sell absorption. Buy absorption. Don't know what it wants to do. All right. So that's a 5 minute. That will be my last minute. Absorb, absorb. Still in a nice trend line. So a lot of absorption. So people are trying to sell, just not being able to. It's trying to absorb Buy. Fuck you. What if I see buy? Absorb. Absorb. Sorry, this is ridiculous. All right, so that's it. For now.